Hey there, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, we are talking about how to send a snap from your camera roll as a normal snap. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. Here's a quick and simple method to do it. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once it's open, look for the search icon located at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. In the search bar, type in keywords like photo gallery or something similar. Select any of the suggested options. Next, find the photo from your camera roll that you want to send as a snap. Tap on it and you'll see it turns into a snap. Now, just tap on the Send To option and it will be sent as a normal snap. To confirm, you can check your chats. There it is, sent as a regular snap straight from your camera roll. Super easy, right? If you run into any issues, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date by checking the Play Store or App Store for updates. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.